Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodity markets. In today's video, we will dive into the recent developments in the cardamom and clove markets. Both of these essential spices have seen notable price fluctuations driven by market dynamics. Let's break down the key factors influencing these price changes. On August 30th, the small cardamom market witnessed a decline in prices following the latest auction held across two locations. The average price of small cardamom dropped by 20 rupees to 50 per kilogram, bringing it down to a range of 2,210 rupees to 2,243 per kilogram. This is a decrease from the previous session's average of 2,262 rupees per kilogram. Interestingly, despite this overall decline, the highest recorded price per kilogram saw a slight uptick, reaching 2,722 rupees compared to 2,688 rupees previously. The auction recorded a significant surge in arrivals, which jumped from 39,248 kilograms to an impressive 102,699 kilograms, marking the first time in several months that arrivals have surpassed the 100,000 kilograms mark. The offtake, or the quantity sold, also saw a sharp increase, climbing to 99,953 kilograms from 37,806 kilograms in the previous session. The offtake rate improved to 97.3%, up from 96.3%. Dealers accounted for approximately 24.3% of the total arrivals, with producers supplying the rest. During the second session of the auction, grade-specific rates remained relatively stable. Prices for grade 7 mm were between 2,150 rupees and 2,220 rupees per kilogram. Grade 7 to 8 mm ranged from 2,360 rupees to 2,440 rupees, and grades 8 mm and above were priced between 2,600 rupees and 2,720 rupees per kilogram. Weather conditions have been favorable for the crop in key growing regions, with recent dry weather expected to continue, supporting the harvesting process. Looking ahead, the start of the harvesting season next month is likely to put additional pressure on prices. With production expected to rebound from last year's drought-affected levels, the market is bracing for further price adjustments. Shifting our focus to the clove market, domestic prices have experienced a decline of 5 rupees to 10 per kilogram after a period of stability that lasted for about 18 to 20 sessions. Currently, Bilti prices in Kottayam range between 975 rupees and 990 rupees per kilogram, while in Shimoga, they are slightly higher, ranging from 1,000 rupees to 1,020 rupees per kilogram. The price of clove stem in Kottayam has risen to 140 rupees per kilogram, reflecting an increase of 5 rupees per kilogram. The market for Lalpuri cloves is seeing some fluctuations, with prices ranging between 800 rupees and 820 rupees per kilogram. Cloves from different origins also show varying prices. Comoros cloves are priced between 840 rupees and 860 rupees per kilogram. Madagascan cloves between 880 rupees and 900 rupees per kilogram, and Sri Lanka cloves between 850 rupees and 880 rupees per kilogram. Recent import data from the Ministry of Commerce shows a total import of 2,034 tons in June, which is a 6.2% decrease compared to previous figures. The decrease in imports is primarily due to a significant 28% reduction in imports from Madagascar, totaling 1,212 tons. However, this decline was partially offset by a substantial increase in imports from Indonesia, which surged to 607 tons from 97 tons the previous year. As harvest seasons progress in major producing regions, prices are expected to remain low. The domestic market is currently oversupplied, largely due to the significant rise in imports over the past 6 months, which is likely to cap any substantial price increases. While global production in Madagascar remains low, overall crop production worldwide is not expected to exert significant upward pressure on global prices. Harvesting in Indonesia is nearing its peak, is nearly complete in the Comoros, and is anticipated to commence next month. As we continue to monitor these markets, it is clear that both cardamom and clove prices are under pressure from increased supply and shifting demand dynamics. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on how these factors will continue to shape the spice markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights on commodities.